That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. It's not bad. Wow. Yay. Saving the day. Oh, he's not bad. He's not bad at all. That'll work. That'll definitely work. Wow. Windy day, guys. Friggin'. Let's see if I can get him here. There we go. Yeah, that's a nice solid little snook. Came out tarpon fishing. Didn't work out. Wind was way, way too strong. Came back here, hit the spillway. Nice little snook. Get her done. Yeah, boy. All right, let's go let him go. Solid backcountry fish there. Back sewer fish, kind of, with this water, but it is what it is. See you, dude. All right, well, found something to do. Let's get a couple more. Another one. Ain't bad. Ain't bad. Same spot. That's not a bad fish. That's not a bad fish. I think I figured something out today, guys. I like it. Oh, get out under there. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, he came off. Oh my God, that was a huge one. Just came off right here. Wow, I didn't think he was that big because he didn't fight that hard. That was a solid fish. Whoo! Oh. Damn. Damn. I was trying to horse him. Those two guys were just sitting right along these rocks here. Way, way back from the flow. That was cool. Another one. That's a good one. That's a real good one. That's no joke. Oh, I got a pattern going on now, boys. That's a good fish. Oh no, he's not that big. Jesus Christ, I thought he was big. Fought like hell. Fat snook. Wow. Wow. Number 3. He fought just as hard as that big one. Well, that was cool. Alright. That's a beautiful fat snook. Check him out. Super, super pretty. Wow, he fought pretty friggin' hard too for a little fish. Wow, he thumped the hell out of that friggin' lure. Let's go let him go. See you, dude.